Hi everyone, here we are going to make this beautiful bow shape using ribbon. So take a beautiful ribbon and fold it around your two fingers like this. Tie a knot at the center, adjust it and cut it its bottom part and it's ready. Here we are going to make these mini paper boxes. Look, you can put your accessories inside it. Let's make it. We are folding this printed paper from its diagonals. Now fold it from its corners. Open it and finally fold it and make a box like this. Keep it aside. Take another paper. Here we are going to make the lid of the box. So we are going to cut it from its sides and make this square piece. After this, fold it like we are doing here. Make multiple folds like this from top and bottom. And look, your lid is ready. After making the lid, we are going to take those cut paper and fold it again. Here we are going to make the bow shape on the top. So you fold it like this and tug it on the corners like this, and look, your box is ready. Let's make heart bookmark today. So take this red color of paper, fold it and flip it again, fold it like we're doing here. Pull the paper downwards and start folding it from the top and tuck it inside like this, and look, your heart shape is ready. Let's make this mini organizer at home using craft paper. So we are going to fold this paper and make this rectangular shape. Fold it from its sides and paste it using double-sided tape. We are going to make two such shapes and paste all of them one over another. Paste some stickers and handle, and look, your mini organizer is ready. Let's make these mini bags at home using paper. You can gift it to your friends. So yeah, we are going to fold this pink color of paper and make 3 folds. After making the fold, we are going to again fold it from the top end portion. We are making crease here. So yeah, keep doing this like this. Finally, we are going to fold it and make the base, and the box is ready. You can decorate it further using stickers like this. Put some rubber bands inside it, and look, it's done. You can fold it from the top like this, and look, it's ready. Look how pretty these mini envelopes are looking. Let's make it. So we are going to fold this paper and make the envelope. After folding it, we are going to make the heart shape as well. So cut it from the center and fold it inside like this, and look, your envelope is ready. Let's make these mini paper masks at home. So take a square paper and make 3 folds like this. After making these folds, we are going to press it again. Now we are making these mini folds like this. After folding it, we are again fold it from its top and bottom. We are making a very fine lines by pressing it over and over again. Now flip it and fold it from the top and sides. Using double-sided tape, we are going to paste these threads on both sides like this, and look, your paper mask is ready. We are also covering it using another strip of paper from both sides. Again, fold it from the center, and it's done. Let's make this mini cute little envelope at home. So we are going to fold this printed paper into half and then from its sides as well. After making multiple pleats, open it and tuck the paper inside, and look, it's ready. You can paste a sticker later. Thank you so much for watching this video.